This is the tent area for Alexander Resort. Tent is basically good if you are in a huge group and just want to enjoy the feeling of camping. This is how the inside of a tent is looking like, very basic. Just you can go in and sleep. That's it. So they have these tents for individual groups where you can have stargazing, and if you walk straight and if you go behind, you would see a hammock and the open area for walking and stargazing. And straight up there are the heritage rooms, which I will give you a separate tour later. This is the view of the tents from the other side. Cozy tents, just you can go in, sleep. This is how the inside of the tent looks like. It's all occupied by the group whom we saw playing tug of war some time back. Thank you.